Hey there, Facebook users. Are you struggling with the error message, Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you simple steps to fix this issue and get back to buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace in 2024. Let's dive in. First things first, Facebook Marketplace is only available to certain accounts. Make sure you meet these requirements. 1. You must be 18 years or older. 2. Your account must be in good standing with no recent violations of Facebook's community guidelines. Third Marketplace is supported in your region. To check for violations, go to your Facebook settings and click on Account Quality. Fix any issues flagged there to regain access. Outdated apps can cause bugs. If you're using Facebook on your phone, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Install the latest version and then try accessing Marketplace again. It might just do the trick. If you're still facing the issue, it might be due to cache or cookies stored on your device. Here's how to fix it. On your browser, clear your cookies and cache from the Settings menu. If you're using the app, go to your phone's settings, find the Facebook app, and clear its cache. Restart the app, and check if Marketplace is now available. Sometimes your account might be temporarily flagged. Try logging in from another account to see if Marketplace works. If it does, re-verify your main account by updating your profile info, such as your phone number and email, and submit an appeal if needed. Marketplace availability depends on your region.